Vasudevaya. Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Narayan Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudire Nashtaprayeshu Vadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttam Shloke Ter Bhakti Shtiki. So first of all, very happy Ram Navami to all of you. Please, we have to stay home. Chant more rounds, pray to Lord Ram for all his protection, so we can come out safe and secured from this situation. So continuing with the discussion on Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 6, Chapter 8, Narayan Kavacha Shield, text number 20 onwards. Mam Kesho Gadya Pratarvya Govinda Asangal Mata Venu Narayana Prana Udat Shaktir Madhyam Dine Vishnur Indra Pani. May Lord Kesha protect me with this club in the first portion of the day, and may Govinda, who is always engaged in playing his flute, protect me in the second portion of the day. May Lord Narayan, who is equipped with all potencies, protect me in the third part of the day, and may Lord Vishnu, who carries a disc to kill his enemies, protect me in the fourth part of the day. According to Vedic astronomical calculations, day and night are each divided into 3 Ghatikas for 24 minutes instead of 12 hours. Generally, each day and each night is divided into 6 parts consisting of 5 Ghatikas. In each of these 6 portions of the day and night, the Lord may be addressed for protection according to different names. Lord Keshav, the proprietor of the holy place of Mathura, is the Lord of the first portion of the day, and Govinda, the Lord of Vrindavan, is a master of the second portion. So devotee always asks for the protection by the Lord. Devo aparane madhuhogra dhanva sayam tridhama vatu madhava mam doshe rishikesha uttarartha ratre nishith eko avatu padmanabha. May Lord Madhusudan, who carries a bow, very fearful for the demons, protect me during the 5th part of the day. In the evening, may Lord Madhav, appearing as Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara, protect me. And in the beginning of night, may Lord Rishikesh protect me. At the dead of night, in the 2nd and 3rd parts of night, may Lord Padmanabh alone protect me. Shri Vatsadhama Pararatra Isha Pratyush Isho Asidharo Janardana Damodara Avyadano Sandhyam Prabhati Vishveshwaro Bhagwan Kalamurti. May the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who bears the Shrivatsa on his chest, protect me after midnight until the sky becomes pinkish. May Lord Janardhan, who carries a sword in his hand, protect me at the end of night during the last 4 Ghatikas of night. May Lord Damodar protect me in the early morning, and may Lord Vishveshwara protect me during the junctions of day and night. Chakram Yugan Laktignam Nemi Brahmata Samantad Bhagavati Prayuktam Dandagdher Sanyamasha Kaksham Yatha Vata Sakho Patasha. Set into motion by the Supreme Personality of Godhead and wandering in all the 4 directions, the disc of the Supreme Lord has sharp edges as destructive as a fire of devastation at the end of the millennium. As a blazing fire burns dry grass to ashes with the assistance of the breeze, may that Sudarshan Chakra burn our enemies to ashes. Gadeshani Sparsha Visfully Linge Nishpindya Jit Prayasi Kushmanda Vanaya Kayaksharaksho Bhuta Grihansha Churnaya Churna Yarin. O club in the hand of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, you produce sparks of fire as powerful as thunderbolts, and you are extremely dear to the Lord. I am also his servant. Therefore, kindly help me pound to pieces the evil living beings known as Kushumandas, Vanayakas, Yakshas, Rakshas, Bhutas, and Grihas. Please pulverize them. So the club in the hands of the Lord is called Komuduki. It's very, very powerful. And devotees are asking, please pulverize all these devils and demons. Tvam yatu dhana pramatha pret matri pishach vipra grih ghor drishti dharendra vidravaya krishna purito bhima svano arer hirdayani kambayam. O best of the conch shells, O Panchajanya in the hands of the Lord, you are always filled with the breath of Lord Krishna. Therefore, you create a fearful sound vibration that causes trembling in the hearts of enemies, like the Rakshasas, Pramatha ghosts, Pretas, Matas, Pishachas, and Brahman ghosts with fearful eyes. Tvam tigma dhara sivrari sanya ishapriyukto mam chindi chindi chakshunshi charman chat chandra jadaya Dvishama Gonam Harapap Chakshusham. O King of sharp-edged swords, you are engaged by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Please cut the soldiers of my enemies to pieces. Please cut them to pieces. O shield marked with 100 brilliant moon-like circles, please cover the eyes of the sinful enemies. Pluck out their sinful eyes. Oh. Yanno bhayam grihebhyo abhutaketubhyo nribhya evacha sarisripebhyo danshtribhyo bhutebhyo ahobhyo evacha sarvani etani bhagwan nama rupanu kirtanat prayantu sanshayam sadyo yena shreya pratipakaha. May the glorification of the transcendental name, form, qualities, and paraphernalia of the Supreme Personality of Godhead protect us from the influence of bad planets, meteors, envious human beings, serpents, scorpions, and animals like tigers and wolves. May it protect us from ghosts and the material elements like earth, water, fire, and air. And may it also protect us from lightning and our past sins. We are always afraid of these hindrances to our auspicious life. Therefore, may they all be completely destroyed by the chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Of course, Prabhupada added that Hare Krishna Mahamantra, but it's the glories of the holy name that Vishwarupa is telling. By chanting of the holy name, all these things we can be protected from. Garuda Bhagwan Stotras Tobha Chando Maya Prabhu Rakshat Shesha Krichrebhyo Vishwakasena Swanamabhi. Lord Garuda, the carrier of Lord Vishnu, is the most worshipable Lord, for he is as powerful as the Supreme Lord himself. He is a personified Vedas and is worshipped by selected verses. May he protect us from all dangerous conditions. And may Lord Vishwaksena, the personality of Godhead, also protect us from all dangers by his holy names. Sarva Padmabhyo Harera Nama Rupa Yadna Yudhani Na Buddhindriya Manaha Pranam Pantu Parshad Bhushana. May the Supreme Personality of Godhead's holy names, his transcendental forms, his carriers, and all the weapons decorating him as personal associates protect our intelligence, senses, mind, and life air from all dangers. There are various associates of the transcendental personality of Godhead, and his weapons and carriers are among them. In this spiritual world, nothing is material. The sword, bow, club, disc, and everything decorating the personal body of the Lord are spiritual living force. Therefore, the Lord is called Advaya Gyan, indicating that there is no difference between him and his names, forms, qualities, weapons, and so on. Anything pertaining to him is in the same category of spiritual existence. They're all engaged in the service of the Lord in varieties of spiritual forms. So they all have forms, they all have the particular services that they want to do, they want to render. And and the basic service of all these weapons is to protect the devotees of the Lord. So we can pray to the weapons and they will come and protect us, help us. Yatha hi Bhagavan eva vastutah sadasat chayat satyenanena nah sarve yantu nasham upatravaha. The subtle and gross cosmic manifestation is material, but nevertheless, it is not different from the Supreme Personality of Godhead because He is ultimately the cause of all causes. Cause and effect are factually one because the cause is present in the effect. Therefore, the absolute truth, the Supreme Personality of Godhead can destroy all our dangers by any of His potent parts. यथैकात्म्यानुभावना विकल्परहितः स्वयं भूषणा युद्धलिंगाख्या धत्ते शक्तिः स्वमाया तेन सत्यम् आनेन सर्वज्ञो भगवान् हरिः पातु सर्वः स्वरूपेण सदा सर्वत्र सर्वगा. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, the living entities, the material energy, the spiritual energy, and the entire creation are all individual substances. In the ultimate analysis, however, together they constitute the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, those who are advanced in spiritual knowledge see unity in diversity. For such advanced persons, the Lord's bodily decorations, His name, His fame, His attributes and forms, and the weapons in His hand are manifestations of the strength of His potency. According to the elevated spiritual understanding, the omniscient Lord, who manifests various forms, is present everywhere. May He always protect us everywhere from all calamities. So the devotee, this is the difference between a devotee and a demon. Devotees are always asking for protection. That's why they're very dear to the Lord. They don't think they are independent of or they are powerful. They're always surrendered. So that's why they're very dear. A person highly elevated in spiritual knowledge knows that nothing exists but the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This is also confirmed in Bhagavad Gita, where Lord Krishna says, Maya tatam midam sarvam, indicating that everything we see is an expansion of His energy. This is confirmed in the Vishnu Puran. As a fire, although existing in one place, can expand its light and heat everywhere, so the omnipotent Lord, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, although situated in His spiritual abode, expands Himself everywhere, in both the material and spiritual worlds, by His various energies. Since both cause and effect are the Supreme Lord, there is no difference between cause and effect. Consequently, the ornaments and weapons of the Lord, being expansions of His spiritual energy, are not different from Him. There is no difference between the Lord and His variously presented energies. This is also confirmed in Padma Puran. The holy name of the Lord is fully identical with the Lord, not partially, it's fully identical. The word Purna means complete. The Lord is omnipotent and omniscient. And similarly, His name, form, qualities, paraphernalia, and everything pertaining to Him are complete, pure, eternal, and free from material contamination. The prayer to the ornaments and chariots of the Lord is not false, for they are as good as the Lord. Since the Lord is all-pervading, He exists in everything, and everything exists in Him. Therefore, even worship of the Lord's weapons or ornaments has the same potency as worship of the Lord. Mayavadis refuse to accept the form of the Lord, or they say that the form of the Lord is Maya or false. But one should note very carefully that this is not acceptable. Although the Lord's original form and His impersonal expansions are one, the Lord maintains His form qualities and abode eternally. Therefore, the prayer says, Patu Sarve Sarupe, Na Sada Sarvatra Samaga. May the Lord, who is all pervasive in his various forms, protect us everywhere. The Lord is always present everywhere by his name, form, qualities, attributes, and paraphernalia, and they all have equal power to protect the devotees. Srila Madhvacharya explains this as follows: Eko eva paro Vishnu, bhushathe dvajeshu aja. So the Lord is always there to protect his devotees in every way, every form, everywhere. And when we say he or he is there to protect, means he has a form. It's not Nirakar. Lord Ram behind me in the background, he's not Nirakar. Lakshman is not Nirakar. Lord Ram's bow and arrows, they were not Nirakar. They are Nirakar in the sense they don't have a material form. They have a spiritual form, but they have a form. So those who don't believe in the form of the Lord, how can they pray to the Lord for the protection? Is Brahm Jyoti going to come and protect them? No. So Lord in his personal feature always listens to his devotees, always awards the benedictions, and always gives a protection. Just like in other faiths, they say the Lord has no form. But when we ask them, do you pray to the Lord? Yes. Does he listen? Yes. Does he see what good you're doing, what bad you're doing? Yes. Does he come to help you, to protect you? Yes. Then he must be having a form. Then they all say, oh, he doesn't have a form. Okay, he doesn't have a material form just as you and I do. We can get infected with this coronavirus. Lord doesn't, because he has a spiritual form. So for people in general, spiritual form means no form at all, because spirit for them has no form. And we have to go beyond our limited understanding. Vidikshu dikshur dhvamadaha samanta dantar bahir bhagavan narasimha praha payan loka bhayam svanena swatejasa grasta samasta teja. Prahlad Maharaj loudly chanted the holy name of Lord Narasimhadev. May Lord Narasimhadev, roaring for his devotee Prahlad Maharaj, protect us from all fear of dangers created by stalwart leaders in all directions, through poison, weapons, water, fire, air, and so on. May the Lord cover the influence by his own transcendental influence. May Lord Narasimhadev protect us in all directions and in all corners, above, below, within, and without. Madhvanidam akyatam varma narayanatmakam vijesha sejasa yena danchito asura yuthapana. Vishwarupa continued, O Indra, this mystic armor related to Lord Narayan has been described by me to you. By putting on this protective covering, you will certainly be able to conquer the leaders of the demons. Etad dharya manastu yam pashyati chakshusha padavasam sprisheta sadhya sadvasat savimuchyate. If one employs this armor, whomever he sees with his eyes or touches with his feet is immediately freed from all the above mentioned dangers. Na kutashit bhayam tasya vidyam dharyatu rajadasyu grihadibhyo vyadhyadibhyascha karhichit. This prayer, Narayan Kavach, constitutes subtle knowledge transcendently connected with Narayan. One who employs this prayer is never disturbed or put in danger by the government, by plunderers, by evil demons, or by any types of disease. So never be put in danger by the government also. Imam Vidyam Pura Kashit Kaushiko Dharyan Dvija Yoga Dharanaya Swangam Jaho Samaru Dhanvani. O king of heaven, a Brahman named Kaushik formerly used this armor when he purposely gave up his body in the desert by mystic power. Tasyopari vimanena gandharva pati rekata yayo chitraratha stribhir vrito yatra divjakshaya. Surrounded by many beautiful women, Chitrarath, the king of Gandharva Loka, was once passing in his airplanes over the Brahman's body at the spot where the Brahman had died. Gagananyanya patat satya savimano hi avakshira savalkhilya vachanandasthi nyadaya vismita rasya prachi saraswatyam snatva dhamasva anvagat. Suddenly, Chitrarath was forced to fall from the sky headfirst with his airplane. Struck with wonder, he was ordered by the great sages named the Valkhilyas to throw the Brahman's bones in the nearby river Saraswati. He had to do this and bathe in the river before returning to his own abode. Why? Because the Brahman had chanted this Narayan Kavach. Shirishukavacha Yaidam Shrunuyat Kali Yudharyati Chadrita Tam Namasyanti Bhutani Muchate Sarvato Bhayat. Shri Shukdev Goswami said, my dear Maharaj Parikshit, one who employs this armor, who hears about it with faith and veneration when afraid because of any conditions in the material world, is immediately freed from all dangers and is worshipped by all living entities. Etam vidyam adhikato vishwarupa chatkrituhu trailokya lakshmi bhuje vinirjitya mridheya suram. King Indra, who performed 100 sacrifices, received this prayer of protection from Vishwarupa. After conquering the demons, he enjoyed all the opulences of the three worlds. This mystic mantra armor given by Vishwarup to Indra, the king of heaven, acted powerfully with the effect that Indra was able to conquer the asuras and enjoy the opulence of the three worlds without impediments. In this regard, Madhacharya points out, one must receive all kinds of mantras from a bona fide spiritual master. Otherwise, the mantras will not be fruitful. This is also indicated in Bhagavad Gita 4:34. Just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. Inquire from him submissively and render service unto him. The self-realized soul can impart knowledge unto you because he has seen the truth. All mantras should be received through the authorized guru, and the disciple must satisfy the guru in all respects after surrendering at his lotus feet. In the Padma Puran, it is also said, Sampradaya Vihinam Ye Mantrashti Nishvala Mata. There are 4 sampradayas or disciplic successions, namely the Brahm Sampradaya, Rudra, the Shri Sampradaya, and the Kumar Sampradaya. If one wants to advance in spiritual power, one must receive his mantra from one of these bona fide sampradayas. Otherwise, he will never successfully advance in spiritual life. So Indra got this mantra from Vishwarupa, although Vishwarupa was like his nephew and much younger in age, but he was very powerful and very much qualified. So many austerities he had done. So Indra got this mantra, and by this he conquered the demons, and then he enjoyed the opulences of the three worlds. So thus ends the 8th chapter of 6th canto, and tomorrow we'll start the 9th chapter. But there is still lots of twists and turns in the story. Nothing, even in devotional life, nothing is straightforward. There's so many twists and turns. But anyway, there's so many things that we need to learn. Okay, so we'll stop here. See anybody has any questions or comments? Okay, so you all have Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
Hare Krishna. Prabhuji, I started reading this, this Kavach. मेरे को ना एक चीज समझ में नहीं आई that what they are saying is कि in श्लोक number 4, 5th and 6th, in that Prabhuji they are saying कि आपको कुशा को छू करके बैठा है and then दाहिनी ओर and like you know east and west and then छुआवे, वो सब क्या मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया, ऐसे कैसे करना है इसको, like you just have to read it or just, मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं समझ में, पता नहीं शायद I'm not well, that is I have not been able to understand. यहाँ
नहीं,
से
वो
शुरू
थोड़ा
करना
मुश्किल
है
है,
and all that, वो कैसे टेक्निकली कैसे होता है?
वो थोड़ा मुश्किल है. So
हम्म,
somebody has to practically teach you.
अच्छा, okay.
जैसे हम लोग भी जब आचमन करते हैं, especially when we have to go DT worship, तब तो बहुत ज्यादा आचमन करना पड़ता है. तो somebody has to teach you how all the mantras to be chanted and which part of the hand to touch which part of the body. There's so many ways. So it's okay. You can chant all the mantras. You can read the translation if you cannot read the Sanskrit also, or just rely on Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna has everything. Krishna means he contains everybody.
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लगा ये पढ़ना शुरू किया तो इट वाज लाइक क्वाइट दिस थिंग, आराम से पढ़ती धीरे एंड देन यहाँ पे आके आई गॉट स्टक, ऐसे ठीक ऐसे कैसे करना है, इसको कैसे करना है, तो
हाँ, वो थोड़ा मुश्किल है वो.
एंड व्हाट इज आचमन प्रभुजी, व्हाट यू यूज दिस वर्ड?
वो जब हम एक छोटे से कंटेनर में पानी लेते हैं ना और एक चम्मच होती है, फिर हम हाथ धोते हैं.
अच्छा, तर्पण जिसको बोलते हैं? नहीं, दैट्स डिफरेंट थिंग.
तर्पण इज डिफरेंट. तर्पण
अच्छा,
वो हाथ धोना नहीं होता एक्चुअली, वो आचमन होता है. क्योंकि उसमें मंत्र से बोले जाते हैं, तो वी pretty much purify ourselves.
ओके.
तो हाथ धोना तो मतलब कोई भी टैप से धो सकते हैं ना, साबुन से. वो हाथ धोना नहीं, मतलब जस्ट टू इन्फॉर्म के हाथ धोने हैं, हाथ धोना नहीं होता, वो आचमन होता है. उसमें भी बहुत सारे मंत्र होते हैं, बहुत सारे रूल्स हैं that we have to follow. So then the body becomes pure.
Okay.
Then we can go and do the aarti or touch the Lord. उसके बिना नहीं कर सकते.
I think this is something like जो जैसे हवन करने बैठो तो पंडित जी वो लोटे में से ले लेके पानी देते रहते हैं, अब हाथ धो, अब ये फूल चढ़ाओ,
कहते हैं ना, हाथ पीछे डालो, ऐसे करो, वैसे करो. हाँ. पर वो भी क्योंकि वो आपको कह रहे हैं करने के लिए, पर जब वो खुद करते होंगे तो और ज्यादा करते हैं.
अरे वो मंत्र बोलते रहते हैं और करवाते रहते हैं. अच्छा, उसको आचमन बोलते हैं. ओके.
Or everything is scientific. Everything is mentioned in the scriptures, and there's a reason for it. There's a reason behind it. वो सब नारद पंचरात्र में काफी डिटेल में दिया गया. एंड एक और बुक है सनातन गोस्वामी की, हरि भक्ति विलास, उसमें काफी डिटेल में. Anyway, I hope you feel better. You get okay.
Let's see.
मोहंती प्रभु भी,
I know, मोहंती प्रभु हॉस्पिटल ही पहुंच गए हैं. कैसी तबीयत है उनकी, कुछ मुझे खबर नहीं है, पता नहीं चल रहा.
और आपके पीछे मोर की आवाज आ रही है.
कुकू बर्ड सीजन है ना.
प्रभु जी पापा मेरे बोल रहे थे कि भगवान कुछ ज्यादा ही नाराज हो गए, क्योंकि पिछले साल जो था इस बार डबल वेरिएंट आ गया, सो इट्स लाइक अभी भी काफी नाराज है.
हमारे ही कर्म है, हमारे सामने आ
सामने आ
रहे
रहे
हैं।
हैं और कुछ
भगवान
नहीं
तो
है।
भगवान तो बस चाहते हैं हम सरेंडर होएं, वापस आए। That's it. That's all he is interested in.
किसी की कोई गलती नहीं है, हमारे ही है सब।
चलिए, let's stop here. You all have a safe and wonderful Ramnami. Hare Krishna. Jai Shri Prabhupada.
हरे
हरे
कृष्णा। थैंक यू
कृष्णा, जय
प्रभु जी।
श्रील प्रभुपाद।
जय श्रील प्रभुपाद।